Hi guys, a warm welcome to each and everyone to my channel. Myself Udita and you are watching Udita's Classroom. So guys, in this video I am going to share with you some job information and which has been a recently published job, and obviously some tips and tricks how to crack your exam, and obviously some engineering tutorial. So guys, if you are a newcomer in my channel, then please subscribe my channel, please support my channel. Today's job, Indian Oil Corporation Limited has just published a new job notification for the apprenticeship. Notification for engagement of technical and non-technical trade and technician apprentice under the Apprentices Act 1961 at IOCL, where some provision number of seats and depending upon some discipline that is divided in different region as Gujarat, different state, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Goa. So total 200 vacancies for the apprenticeship post has been announced by the IOCL department. What is the main job? Who can apply? What is the exact qualification is required? Exam application fees, exam process, selection process. All the things are discussed in this video in details. So keep watching this video till the end. And if you are newcomer in my channel, then please support my channel. Please subscribe my channel. Click the bell icon just besides the subscription box, and also click the all. When I will put any type of job informative videos, you will be notified at that time. So let's get started. So guys, one thing is that a very good news for the apprenticeship post will be published for the IOCL, and some stipend has been announced here. It's near about 2,500 towards some stationery, convention and miscellaneous expenses announced as a stipend for the apprenticeship post. And if we pointing out some qualification or eligibility criteria, where some technician apprenticeship, obviously mechanical engineering for 3 years diploma with 50% marks, and in case of OBC, SC/ST 45% marks are required. Technician apprenticeship electrical, where electrical background diploma holder with 40% for SC/ST, OBC, and with 50% for the general candidate can apply. And here some discipline wise code according to technician instrumentation, civil, electrical, electronics and electronics, where the this particular trade candidate of the diploma engineering of 3 years can apply for this job. Selection method, if we discuss that, the selection method mainly written test, and the written test comprise with 100 question, and for 90 minutes will be considered for clear this question. And after the written test, those candidates who crack their written examination, they will call for the personal interview, and the test will be general aptitude, reasoning, basic English language skill, and all the PDF information I will put in my end of the video. Just check the link and check my videos till the end, and I will share all the links from where you can download the PDF that in my description box. So follow this description box. There are all the information is announced in this PDF notice, and where the last date of online application will be happened here. So the last date of online application 26 November 2019, which has been already started from 23rd October 2019, and tentative date for written test will be happened 15th December 2019, and the written test will be conducted at the Ahmedabad, Bhopal, Raipur, Panjim and the Silvassa. You must have some documents to be uploaded with the online application. They are birth proof, certificate of the prescribed education qualification, that is for NCVT or graduation, diploma or engineering, and attested copy of the caste certificate. If you are SC/ST or OBC category, then you must attach your caste certificate, and you have to signature in black ink, and recent color passport size photo also you have to attach with your online application. So guys, hopefully this video will helpful to each and everyone who are eagerly waiting for this type of job. Apprenticeship is one type of internship where you can get some experience of your industrial job. Then you can gather some practical experience from the industry. Okay, so guys, if you like my videos, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Keep supporting my channel, keep watching my videos, and thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye.